Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so that you know when my new video is up. Hello everybody and welcome to our new tutorial. Today we are going to open one L.O.L surprise confetti pop and we are going to transform any doll that we get into a beautiful unicorn. I also want to say thank you to this person for the beautiful comment, and if you want to be featured in one of my videos, you just have to leave a really nice comment. If you know the secret message, leave a comment down below. This is a sticker. This is our tattoo. Super nice. These are the instructions. And now we are going to open our surprises. Finally! First door. First door. Shoes, I think. Next door. Okay. Next door. These ones are the shoes. So I'm guessing this one is for the hands, maybe. Last door. Whee! Bottle. Purple. Are you ready? 1, 2. I'm so sorry. Let's see the accessory. Woo, so cute. And now the doll. Oh, so cute. I love her. 1, 2, 3. Boop. She is a Sprint. So cute. Let me know in the comments which doll is your favorite.
Now, let's continue with the tutorial, okay?
We are going to transform this beautiful doll in a beautiful unicorn. So in order to make her a little bit more magical, we are going to change the eyes a little bit. For that, we are going to take our palette, and the first color that we are going to use is this beautiful mint color, and we are going to paint the bottom of the eyes like so. Now we are going to paint the rest black. We add a small dot of white acrylic paint in the center. We are gonna paint a star. I added a little bit of dots and lines to the eyes, all around the eye. And now we are going to delete the eyebrows. I'm gonna add the eyebrows. I added the eyebrows and also a couple of hearts to each cheek and to the eyes as well. She's looking pretty already. Now when you have this style like this, we are going to do the other side. We are going to roll a piece of clay really thin on top and flat at the bottom. Then we add it to the middle of the hairstyle, and we do the hairstyle to the other side as well. You should end up with something like this. I think it's looking so cool. Let it dry and we will come back when it is completely dry to paint the hair. We are going to paint the hair this beautiful peach color. You should end up with something like this.
So cute.
Now we are gonna add a couple of highlights to the hair. Don't forget the ponytails. Are you ready?
Ooh, so magical.
I just added water to make it clear and a little bit of yellow. Cute. Let's paint the shorts the same color, this beautiful peach color. Don't be perfect because we are going to cover the color with some glitter, but I wanted to have a pastel color base. Now we add a little bit of glue. We take our glitter and the shorts. We add a little bit of glue to the shorts and we add the glitter. Like so. Now we add a little bit of glue to the horn as well, and we will add the glitter. I'm gonna use silver glitter. Like this. We are almost done. We just need to add a couple of details to the hair. For example, we can add these beautiful stars, or you could add a little bit of pearls. You ready for the reveal? Ooh, so beautiful! I added a couple of stars to the hair and also a couple of beads to the ponytails and a couple of pearls to the horn as well. And now for the final touch, you're gonna love this. The shirt is going to be a magical ribbon. Whee! So cute! You can cover this with bits as well of pearls. This is the final result. I really love how this one turned out. It's so magical, so beautiful, so unicorn-like, and I love it. I think the eyes add, I don't know, something special to the doll. You can definitely leave eyes as they were before if you want to, but I love it. This is the final result. If you love it, don't forget to leave a really big like and a comment down below with ideas for new videos. I will try to upload every 2 days if possible, and then if you like my content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, be part of the beautiful Mint family. I love you a lot. Don't forget that you're awesome. Bye bye.